This week I made a weapon system and added new quest type to my first in the game, and here is how. I want my game to have many different quest types. I already talked about the questing system and the first quest type that I made, which is kill quest, in the previous devlog, so be sure to check that one out. The next quest type that I wanted to make was a search quest. While exploring the level, player will have an opportunity to find many special items. If he finds enough of them, he completes a quest. I had a base concept in my head, so I quickly got to work. I copied kill quest script to use it as a base and changed a few variables. Then I created event to be called whenever player clicks on a special item. Now I just had to connect event system to the search quest script and everything worked just fine. Nope. When I hit run, I immediately saw multiple errors in the console window. The problem lied in the observer script that I made for player character. It checks, using a raycast, what the player is looking at. The problem was that I forgot to check the hit info only when the raycast was hitting something. I corrected that and everything was okay. Until... wanna hear how stupid I am? Well, as you can imagine, my script didn't work. When I clicked mushroom, which was the special item, nothing happened. I spent about 10 minutes trying to find and fix the problem in the script, but the real problem was that I didn't attach the collider to the mushroom. Now my search quest works almost as intended. The next day I woke up pretty early and right after eating something for breakfast I started working on the shooting mechanic. Current one is rather modest one, so let's open a blender and work on a better gun model. I want it to be an energy weapon. I have this idea that the color of an energy cell, that is, its magazine, would change accordingly to the amount of ammo that's left. But I'm gonna implement it later, since now I wanna focus only on essential mechanics. Keep in mind that this is my first time rigging and animating a weapon model in Blender. I'm very open to criticism, so tell me how do you like it. Now I have to make some particles using Unity's particle system. Unfortunately, since I don't have much time, I had to use pre-made ones instead of creating my own. But don't you worry, eventually I want to make everything in this game myself, or directly ask somebody to do something for me. So I downloaded some particles from Unity's asset store, and after adding muzzle flash to the gun, it looks like this. But it lacks some sound. Obviously I'm gonna steal them as well. Next I'm gonna work on ammo manager. So I created this script. In it, you can set the magazine capacity and how much ammo do you have when the game starts. I still need some display for ammo status though. I really like how the Prey did its ammo display. It helps to save screen space and it's very immersive. So I tried to replicate it and who would guess it? It worked. Now my shooting mechanic is done. This version is much better than the previous one, but still it needs improvement. So please, tell me in the comments what should I do to make this system better. I think that making a game along some community is very good for the project. I'm aware that as for now there are about 20 people watching me, but hey, if you're one of them, please tell me how do you like it, tell me maybe your ideas, because after all I'm making those devlogs, I'm making this game for you. So I wanna know your opinion. That would be it for today's devlog. If you liked it, consider subscribing or liking the video, maybe write a comment. Anyways, thank you for your time. To the next time.